As you can see, this is my real estate newsletter agent. So when I'm gonna execute the workflow, this will take a topic from it to the research, put the title, put the newsletter, and then update the API cost. So let me execute the workflow and show it to you how it works. As you can see, it is working and all the items are working perfectly. So let's see if anything breaks. And if breaks, I will try to fix them, obviously. All right, so it moved a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep this in real time so you guys know what's going on and how it works. Right. All right, so as we can see, it worked. Newsletter agent. Today, we're going to be building a newsletter agent and I'm going to be showing you the step by step. I already recorded the video, but I forgot to do the intro, so that's why I'm just telling you that. But yeah, like as you saw, the workflow already works. So just let me walk you through what I have done here and what you can do in order to make it happen. As you saw earlier, when I click the execution button, the agent is going to take information from the Google Sheet, right? So what I have done here is I selected the column research and value pending because there are so many other options there with the tag pending, because I don't want to do the same research over and over again, right? And then you just select like return only first matching row, so it only works with one. And that's when I saw this topic, right? And then after that, I'm using a Tably uh, tool, so you can do that. And I just, for this, like I just put the query here or the topic as a query and hit execute step, and it gave me all the results. So I asked for 3 results and it gave me 3 results. And after that, I came back here and I give it all the title and things like that. And I made this as an expression, right? So for each topic, all right, what is the topic URL? So I copied the URL from here and then the title from here and then the score, like everything I added here. And then I gave it a system prompt, what it needs to do. And then I hit execute step and it gave me 3 relative um, topic, right? And then after that, I don't need all the 3 topics. So I split them out into 3 items. As you can see, it split out 3 items. And then I added another agent to do the research on those specific uh, topic. All right. And then I added another agent to work with the export. And then this time I used a simplified option to come up with all the items, because like I just need to join and things like that. So if you want, you can just do copy and paste, or you can just do what I have done here in the first agent. They're the similar things, but it takes less time. So that's why I used this trick with the JSON result.map and the item and things like that. But if you feel like they're complicated, you can do the same thing. Like you track the title, the URL, the content from here, and the score. It will do the job. And also for each of the models, I'm using OpenAI like ChatGPT 4.1 mini, because this is just gonna be a test run, right? And after that, like when this agent is done with the result, I just want to aggregate them to one simple output. So that's why I just put them here. And now it gave me one result, because I just want them as one input or one item. So when everything is done, All I want is to make things happen with the first one. So for the first title, like, don't worry about this. This name, sometimes it happens, but it's not an issue because it didn't see the title here anymore. But I give it a system message. I use required specific output format because I want this to go to as separately as a create an email or create a Gmail or send an email, whatever you say. And I also want this to update the row so I can take a look at what happens at each step, so I can show you to you what's going on. All right. So here what I have done is for the research topic, I inserted this, and for the title, like I use their title from here, and I changed the research from pending to done, and then the newsletter. So this is gonna be okay. So this is the title. The subject is the title, and then the content is the content, and then it was automatically done. And as you can see, I have the newsletter with all the details and everything that I was asking, with the clickable links and things like that. So yeah, like that's a quick, simple newsletter agent. Like, I hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions about it, because like it was a simple one. I can give it to you the template if you want, and you can just input your own personal data and then you can play with it and make it your own, like, because there's no uh, rules that you have to go through this way. You can always change and make things up for yourself. And also, I didn't show you the API cost here because I will make another video talking about the API cost and breaking things down, so stay tuned for that.